What up, guys? Your boy Gabe the Gen, aka Mr. Thrifts, coming at you with another video. First time video. I've been doing a couple of, research on how to reshape hats. Found these thrifted. These were actually, let's see here. Yeah, and this one definitely from the flea market. If you take a look at this one's probably the first one I'm gonna do. The shape is pretty good on this one. All I need is just a little bit of cleaning. The main reason I got this one was because of this pin right here, World Series '97 champions. Definitely gonna take this pin off and put on one of my other hats, personal hats. This is a fitted hat, 7 3/8. Probably not my size, but not really big on fitteds anymore. This is a really clean Chicago Bulls hat, snapback, Mitchell & Ness. And then I found these a couple weeks ago. The Giants, I think this one was at a thrift store, but this one is really pretty cool. Clean this one up a little bit, try to reshape it, and list it. This one's definitely really nice one, Steelers one. I got a couple more here. These those don't really need shaping, but this is the one I really wanted to clean up. This one I want to clean. This one I want to reshape. Got a little bit of process. I'm gonna show you. See what I got. I got the hot water here, some detergent, and see what's up. Next steps. See if everything comes out the way I plan to. So I just did the Marlins and the Chicago Bulls one. As you can see, water's very dirty. Soaking the Seminoles one, and then I'm gonna I got the tools out. I got the Niagara Falls starch, the rice cooker bottom. I was looking for one this weekend at the flea market or thrift, but I didn't find one. I'll show you a little bit what I'm gonna do with it from what I saw, and then we'll see if that works.
One day you're not gonna be like that.
So what I got here is the rice cooker. I put some bags under here to do the shape. It's a little bit different shape. Obviously, I'm gonna kind of mold it the way I want it to, and then I'm gonna put some starch on it and let that baby dry. Might need another bag in there, depending on the shape, but especially looking for that good shape up here. But yeah, I'm gonna spray some starch on it, then then let us do this thing, dry for a little bit. So I just did the starch. Might have overdid it a little bit, but I think what I saw in the video was just wipe off the excess, and yeah, but that's it. We'll see the final results. What up, guys? The next day I let these out overnight. This is the one I did with the starch, and I did the reshaping. The other one still ain't dry yet. I did cleaning on both of these. The white part on that one's really came to life. Little beat up. I'm not gonna reshape this one. Looks pretty good. If it doesn't sell, I have a Bulls jersey as well, so I'm not, hey, rock the Bulls. My Lakers are being pretty trash right now. But then a little bit on the Florida Marlins. Gonna wait till it completely dries, and then do it before and after on that one. But I think this one's pretty good to go. I'm gonna unwrap it right now. So here we have the finished product. It's a Zephyr brand, but obviously the shape is definitely much better. Really clean. Big FSU fan, so really nice. I might put this up for sale, just to see if it sells. But if not, definitely like to keep it. So what up, guys? This is the official after. As you can see, cleaned up pretty nicely. Got the details with the Florida Marlin, the F, the back whitened out. Pretty cool. Still a little damp, but yeah, looking good. The next one I have here, cleaned up the brim on this one. I did do a reshaping. I didn't think it needed that bad, so keeping that one like it is. This Chicago Bulls one really came out nice. Obviously it was all black, but the white really popping now. So what's up, girl? And did a little touch on the back, so the white is pretty clean. The one I did reshape was this Giants one. Giant snapback, really cleaned up the white inside a little bit, and then look at that, very nice. So definitely happy with these hats. Definitely happy with the price I paid for them. I'm gonna list them pretty soon. Catch me on Instagram at Mr. Thrifts. That's MR and then Thrifts, THRIFTS. And I'm also on Mercari, but everything is on Mercari. That is also on Instagram. So yeah, check it out and give your boy a follow. Peace.